All right, I wanted to do this quick video just using two artifacts and two of my favorite things here. So this is the short-faced bearhead, and there's a lot going on in this, and you can, like in this light, you can see really well that tongue that's defined, and then some of those teeth, and then that snake that's along the top. And it has a lot of detail, like when you flip it over, you get this sloth, and even like the sloth teeth are more defined. So point here, even when you turn it this side, there's kind of a human face. It's not easy to see, but it's like along that edge there. Here's like a bit of a frown. If you get it like right in the right light, it shows up. This is, I'm very much convinced this is a sloth tooth, and you can see some of that enamel there. And if I take a black light at this, that will fluoresce. And then you've got these vertical lines, which you get on teeth. So I'm convinced by everything I've seen and everything I've found that these paleo people like to knock out teeth and use them to make art. As you can see, there's like little carvings on this, and you can see different things going on with it. It's not the most beautiful art you see, and like this could be like a mouth here. Like they were trying to make some kind of cat head. Well, the thing was, this one was found in my yard, and it seemed like the things that were in my yard, I would say was kind of swampy. Not when I lived there, but there was a lot of iron deposits. Yes, it was a burial ground, and like anything that looked like bone kind of dissolved or something. It wasn't very clear. And I was looking at some pictures online. Other places have, now I always thought this was like carved wood, because like when the first time I washed it, I thought it was a very odd shaped rock. It was like one of the first artifacts I'd found. And when I washed it, suddenly everything came clear. The surface became a little spongy. And I think, wait, this doesn't look like rock. This looks more like wood. And then I was looking online, and I saw what they were showing, old ivory carvings that they found in Europe. And they looked like this. And this is as hard as a rock. But then here's again, this is also, a sloth tooth is also considered ivory, but I found this like in the woods. And then I have others that I found at the beach. And the one thing, like when I take a lot of these ones together, they kind of line up. No, I never really noticed this kind of face profile here. I don't know, just something I noticed. But if I take this, you notice how this bear mouth kind of leans a bit to the left. I'm just wondering. I mean, all the teeth kind of have like an angle. So if this was sitting in my acidic soil, and say it was ivory, supposedly, could it have been a sloth tooth? mean, this was how I was able to take a lot of the rocks and line them up to decide, you know, if they lined up, and they fit together. It's kind of hard to say. It's about the same width. It has the same angle as the sloth tooth. Okay, it's just a theory.